Before Warwick, I was working for the Singapore government for 3 years. So I wanted to do a master's to learn behavioral science properly, especially when it comes to methodology-related fronts. So when I was doing my research, among all the universities in the UK, I think Warwick stood out to me because it has a nice balance of both quantitative as well as qualitative curriculum. So I really valued that, given that my weakness is probably in quantitative. So I came here just to learn the experimental bits, the analysis bit. After submitting my dissertation in early September, I went back to Singapore, and I was very lucky to get a job in behavioral science. So I started that in October, and I've been working in it for the past 3 months. So that was exactly what I came to Warwick for, and I'm very happy to land a job in behavioral science. And I think what I've learned from Warwick through the curriculum, through chatting with the professors and some of the networking opportunities, were all very useful for my current role. So as a behavioral scientist right now, obviously I get to use the theories that I learned in classroom, but also the R skills that were taught by the professors here came in very handy when I had to do data analysis. And I also have to design experiments and run them in real life now in my job. So that is very helpful. The econometrics class was very helpful in that aspect to give me some foundational understanding of how to properly design a good experiment. I've enjoyed all my classes in Warwick with both the economics department. They came with a lot of experience in both research as well as industry. So that was very helpful to understand the difference between learning and doing behavioral science in an academia setting versus industry setting. And that actually set me up for success in my interviews and current job. I think the MSc experience has been pivotal, and literally, because it's a career pivot for me. So I came in 1 year ago hoping that I could pivot my career into behavioral science as someone with little to no experience in this field. And I think after the 1 year, I've gained a lot of insights into how the behavioral science field actually works, what skills is needed, and very luckily for me, I've successfully landed a job in behavioral science.